Hello everyone, today I will guide everyone how to download and install MinGW software. Windows 10 for everyone to use. First, people will go into a browser. People will go to this site for themselves. I'll put the link below the video description. If you click on the link, it will come to this page. Then people will choose to download. Let's download the MinGW installer to our computer. Everybody wait. When it's finished, people will click the left mouse button here to proceed with the installation. People choose to install. Choose Continue. People sit around waiting for it to load and install out the computer. After loading, everyone chooses to continue. Now everyone's going to put the left mouse over here. Select Mark for installation. Do the same with the other lines. After choosing, everyone will go to the installation section. Select Apply Changes. Select Apply. Now everyone will be waiting for it to download. Turn it off after loading. Now I will guide everyone how to use MinGW. People will go to the search bar. Type me a keyword. Environment. Then people will select Edit the system environment. Go to the Environment Variables line. People will click on the Pass line. Select No. And people will fill in this line for themselves. After filling it out, everyone chooses the checkbox. Select OK, select OK. Now everyone can use MinGW to program.